Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
I have no comment on that. I have no comment on that. I can't say anything on that. See, but one thing I think we need to understand. It is not so easy for me to just threaten anybody. So therefore, I personally feel is, as a citizen, responsible citizen of the state, I should not take any special cognizance on that. Because I think those people who treated me, I don't know for what. I don't know for what and what is the reason, or whether is it just for the sake of treating, that also we don't know. But what I'm saying is, I am elected by the people of Peninsula constituency. I'm here just because of the mandate of the people of the state as a whole, as Deputy Chief Minister. So my commitment is to make sure that I serve with sincerity, and I will serve the state till the last breath of my life. See, that I've already clarified everything. I've already clarified everything. Let me just reiterate. If the allocation is substantiated, I'm ready to resign even this morning from the post of Deputy Chief Minister. I'm ready to resign. That's what I'm saying. So I'll just keep telling again about this issue. But, well, my only appeal to them is this. From the state government, we welcome discussion, we welcome the dialogue, but that does not end only within the authority of the state government. It has to be from the central government, because banning HNLC also done not by the state government. It was done by the central government. Otherwise, I'm telling you, if it is within our jurisdiction, within our power, I think by this time, negotiation or dialogue or discussion would have started. Tapi kabangi ni keren, kabangi apil kolong kawe. Ben yakikam, bapiru pi long serius hak bakwa menikren. Mangi na government ko mga ada keren men, akini kisi. Ong bangi na government, wala da officially kampat don. Kanu kono kijing talk kaban ong ba kadon kijing kwa keren. Tenrei ngir ni sutu, niyo ke media, niyo ki kot kubor, niyo ke social media. Ba ki penpau kijing kwa keren. We welcome ni kata. Ni welcome ni kata ngir ni kwa ban engage sa kijing keren. Tenrei kijing kubor ka ban nganga kwa ban ong ba. Penpau kijing long sincere tu kita ka ba sangat ke ba. Nang ba ka central government bu namar ba komo opini naga government state committee ai ke report nang ba ngilak ban pun kongo ya ka sarkar pedeng ba kan ya sekta nakam ka ni ke ji kren but ya evidence